You want to go first? All right, back on the Phoenix Mountain Preserve. Ooh, little fun little rock formations. Fun. Love new fresh dirt. It's never been ridden here. Of course, wouldn't be Trail 100 area without some climbing. Oh, it's so nice to be able to ride at 6 o'clock on July 27th. Usually it will be 110 degrees right now, but with a nice monsoon over us, so nice. Yeah, these rocks are quite pokey. Oh, nice bench right here. Look at that. Pretty. There's the Phoenix Valley. I'll see. Could we get a nice sunset today? We'll see. Good one. Hey, Trevor. I think he might have missed a nice little turn. He's going descent, but it's all right. What goes up must come down, as they say. Oh, Trevor is way the heck out there. That's him. Ooh, I feel a little bit of rain. Oh, that's so nice. There was a lot of left turns that we missed, but
I know where I'm going.
no.
Okay, do you want to go saddle or you want to go downhill?
Saddle.
Okay, go.
Whatever that means. That sounded cooler.
Saddle is between two mountains, that's what it means.
Oh yeah, saddle it is. Oh yeah, little rain. This is gonna be nice. good elevation up here. Oh yeah, a little sunshine peeking through the clouds. Trevor is like the baby goat, just wants to climb and climb and climb. I guess we have no choice but to follow him. Well, that's the good old 51 right here. Where did Trevor go? Of course, he went some gnarly. Here, my alarm clock's like. I know. That's my take the trash can out alarm.
My trash day was today, so I took mine last night.
Oh man, there's some cacti here. Some cacti. So you've done this before, Trevor? No? Yeah, this is where are we going?
So you go right here and then the trail slopes down.
Okay. So we're gonna do a little gnarly downhill. Is that what I'm hearing? Oh, we're still going. We're gonna follow BG, Baby Goat, taking us through the preserve's finest rock formations. All right, let me try going down. Give us desert for I'm not sure we're supposed to be going down here, but the baby goat, who is just a relentless goat, decides to push our pivot 429, turning it into a switchblade. God have mercy on my tires. Ooh. Well, Thank you, mountain gods, for getting us down that mountain. Why can't I make that? Oh, so close. So close. See, I don't switch to lower gear going down the hill. Fatal mistake. Hey, TK. Maybe TK is going fast. There we go. Yeah, that was unexpected. Baby goat, VG.